10 Amazing Benefits of Aloe Vera for Hair, Skin and Weight Loss. Aloe vera is extensively used in beauty products and for good reason. It's got antiviral and antibacterial properties, and the ability to help treat everything from constipation to diabetes. Since the skin needs nutrition of its own, aloe vera, when formulated into a properly designed personal care regimen, can treat, exfoliate, restore, reveal and provide constant, impressive nutrition to the human skin. 1. Aloe vera for dry skin. Take some aloe vera, a pinch of turmeric, a teaspoon of honey, a teaspoon of milk and a few drops of rose water. Blend this mix till you get a paste. Apply it and leave in for about 20 minutes or so. 2. Aloe vera scrub. Grab half a cup of fresh aloe vera gel, a cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. The sugar will help exfoliate and scrub off dead skin. The aloe vera will deep clean the skin and the lemon will help fade out scars and tan. Stir the 3 ingredients together and use it to scrub both face and body. 3. Aloe vera for acne. Take some aloe vera gel, blended walnuts with a flour-like consistency and honey. Aloe vera's healing properties coupled with the antioxidants from honey will leave you with smooth and clear skin. 4. Aloe vera for sensitive skin. Grab some aloe vera gel, cucumber juice, yogurt and rose oil and blend them to a paste. Apply and leave for around 20 minutes, then rinse it off. 5. Aloe vera for weight loss. It's not just the beauty industry that's obsessing over the benefits of aloe vera. Aloe vera can improve the effectiveness of your diet and maximize your weight loss potential, with ample amounts of vitamins and minerals that contribute to weight loss, as well as amino acids, enzymes and sterols. Aloe vera ensures your diet is not only supportive of weight loss, but also improves the body's absorption and utilization, improving overall health as well as weight loss success. 6. Aloe vera for hair fall. Aloe vera contains something called proteolytic enzymes which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff and conditions your hair. The perfect pack. Here's a delicious hair mask that you should apply once a week or every fortnight. Mix equal quantities of aloe vera juice and extra virgin coconut oil. Apply and leave it in for as long as possible for strong, smooth and bouncy hair. 7. Improves digestion. The adaptogenic properties of aloe vera are beneficial for a proper digestion. It ensures better nutrient absorption and also eliminates harmful elements through smooth excretion. A healthy digestive process positively affects your thoughts and actions, thus promoting overall health. It cures irritable bowel syndrome and keeps constipation, piles, and other gastrointestinal conditions from damaging your system. 8. Reduces arthritis pain. Aloe vera is noted for its amazing anti-inflammatory properties that work instantly on the pain and swelling resulting from arthritis. Its juice is extremely effective in calming the swelling and inflammation that are closely associated with arthritis. In fact, topical application on swelling or drinking aloe vera juice both show positive results in curing arthritis pain. 9. Reduces blood sugar level. Aloe vera is also used for lowering blood sugar levels. Consuming it has beneficial effects on reducing blood sugar levels. A result of the study on the effects of aloe vera on diabetic rat models suggests that it is useful in the treatment of diabetes. 10. Moisturizer. Dry skin can get itchy and rough, and does not get your makeup set in properly. Massage the aloe vera skin on your face directly, every day for a perfect moisturized skin. It hydrates your skin without making it oily.